Seekins! This is the WWE YouTube Whoa Susie Heavyweight 7 coming with the review. So Mrs. Wong, where Robin? I put this in the description because if you live in Bethel to skins, I recommend this place. Please watch it. Please watch this. Please watch this. Please watch this video and go to the description, get Association, and get it review there. So it's pretty good. I actually recommend this place. So guys, on wrap, I usually do teriyaki with chicken and lettuce on here, and get some parts on the side. So I'm supposed to do fries because fries is really good. Parmesan fries, parmesan fries, parmesan fries. Sushi, yep. This is his taste. Mmm. Mmm. That is so delicious. Mmm. And now, the crap. Sushi, yeah. This is his taste. Mmm. But why is so delicious? Wow. I thought saying that. I don't know why, but alright. That's my review for you guys. But the schedule for this week, this is Thursday. Friday is tomorrow is a review series of vlogs. Yeah, this is good to boom, send it to YouTube, and then I do a vlog, and then I find a SmackDown episode. So something that's a preview. So thank you for watching the videos, guys. And please, show me like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Now it's an upload. And please, recycle labels, bottom of my YouTube channel, and this expand this too. And please, share to your and your friends. And please follow me at Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, and Twitter. If you're not done with that, I have 2 words for you guys. This is Susie, yeah!